Alright guys, what's going on? So today we kind of have something my wife wants me to do. So she wants to get rid of these guys. She has new pictures, whatever she wants to do here. But on the bottom half, she wants that Shiplap paneling, but she wants it on a budget. On many different heights, I was trying to figure out the height that we need that wouldn't be overbearing or look too small. We kind of come up with right in the middle of the original two. So the top of our top board, trim board, will actually be around just shy of 4 foot tall. So we went to Lowe's, we bought the paneling instead of actual shiplap. We were able to get a discount on it because it had some water damage on it, but not water damage where it was raised up, it was just stained, which is perfect because it's getting painted anyhow. They gave me 50% off. And those boards are, I think it was like $36 a board, and then I got 50% off, which is awesome. But yeah, let's get started. We'll go downstairs and cut some boards. Okay, so here's the shiplap panels. So what we're gonna do is gonna cut them in half. All right, those are cut. Let's take them upstairs and line them up on the wall and see how they look. All right, so the only hard part is I've got to cut out for the outlet. Perfect. So you can tell here, here, and here, obviously you see the connection, the joints there, but that's because once you do this, you really realize how uneven the wall actually is. So following the baseboard, I ended up having little gaps at the bottom, which kind of spaced it a smidge, but you won't notice it. I'm gonna fill it, and then once you paint it, it'll be all matching. Okay, sweet. Now we're ready to paint. We got the caulking done. We got the wood filler done. It's all sanded. Cleaned up, wiped down, and we're just going to go with a white base for now, and we'll see how it turns out. If it's too white, we can always repaint. I got some extensions here. Just like when I did my backsplash, how to extend them out. We're gonna put these in, and then we'll be able to put our covers back over, and that's a completed job. Here's the finished product. You literally cannot see where it is pieced together. Okay, so now all my wife has to do is her part of designing the upper part with her picture frames or whatever she wants to do. But as for this, it is all done. Yeah, 50% off, total, everything like $75. Cannot beat that. It was gonna be $145, something like that, just for the shiplap if I was gonna buy those individual boards. So that's the reason why we went with the panels, because it looks just like it, and we were able to get a 50% off. If you would, like, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next renovation. See you.